To authorize a payment on the Tesco Bank app, you'll primarily be interacting with Strong Customer Authentication, or SCA, and for card payments, 3D Secure. As of October 2025, the process typically involves initiating a transaction, receiving a push notification from the Tesco Bank app, and then confirming the payment using SCA elements. SCA requires two or more elements, such as biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition, or a one-time password. These elements can include biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition, or a one-time password. For card-based payments, 3D Secure is triggered, prompting a secure pop-up or redirect for additional verification. The app also supports frictionless flows for trusted devices when risk scores are low, using AI-driven fraud detection to bypass SCA for a smoother experience. As of April 2025, SCA is enforced on all payments above £20 due to updated FCA regulations, although exemptions may apply for low-risk situations based on real-time risk assessment. Strong Customer Authentication, or SCA, requires two or more elements to verify transactions. These elements include something you know, like a password, something you possess, like your mobile device, and something you are, like your fingerprint. 3D Secure, or 3DS, adds an extra layer of security for card payments by redirecting you to your bank's authentication page. This ensures fraud prevention while maintaining usability. Current trends show a move toward biometric and AI-driven authentication for faster transaction times. By 2025, 70% of Tesco Bank app users opt for biometrics for SCA. Future outlook includes PSD3 compliance, mandating continuous authentication. Predictions estimate 50% of transactions will be frictionless by 2026, using contextual data like location and device history. The aim is zero-friction SCA by 2030, balancing security with speed amid growing e-commerce. These advancements in the Tesco Bank app enhance user experience while maintaining robust security for online payments.